5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry, homie, I just wanna be alone. 5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry.
Yeah, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you ain't already, go ahead and subscribe, man. What are you doing if you ain't subscribed? Go down and like the video too. But nah, what's good with y'all? Today I ain't doing much, nothing really cool. Actually some bull. Swapping out my CV axle. That's the old one there. I just left O'Reilly's because I gotta get it warrantied out. Backstory, I know it's been a while. Probably see I look different since the last couple videos that I just recently put out. That's because those were recorded all the way back in August and September-ish of 2023, and we are now in January 2024. So my bad. But yeah, about that, I was supposed to have content, a whole bunch of videos from when I went to Gatlinburg. So as you see, the last vid was about having the exhaust done on Gina before going to Gatlinburg. But anyways, out there, first night out, mobbing the strip and everything, and my OEM axle completely just grenaded itself. So this is the OEM axle. That's one part there. I took it out of the box because, like I said, I had this one swapped in there at Gatlinburg, but I'll get back to that one. That's the other piece. All the bearings are inside of there. Crazy. But yeah, so going back to that OEM one, we were, like I said, cruising. I was going through one of the tunnels out there in Gatlinburg and dropped it down to like second and did a pull. Went grab third, went to go grab fourth. Axle was gone right there. After that, we were stuck on the side of the road for literally 6 hours waiting on a tow truck. So I was freaking pissed. My son was in the back being bored and going crazy. No tools with me like that, no jack and nothing like that. So finally got it towed back to the cabin, and shout out to our neighbors at the cabin up there. They actually went and picked up that axle for me from the O'Reilly's out there in Tennessee and threw it in at no charge. So it's a huge shout out to them. There was a major blessing that weekend to be able to get us back on the road and back home. But now, 3 months later, which I already knew, being that that's a aftermarket CV axle, and that one is OEM. Of course, they're made different. This one only lasted literally 3 months. It's not as bad as the OEM one. Don't mind that oil. I gotta clean that crap up. But anyways, this. So the other day, I had to take a different route going home because they doing something with the roads over on the main way that I usually take to come home after work, and hit this crazy bridge that was rough. Right before I hit the bridge, there was like a big bump in the road, pretty much a crater, if you want to say, and I hit that jump. And as soon as I hit that, the car was driving weird after this. So I knew then that it was probably something with the axle again. So I made it home and parked it. And that was like last week sometime. So So I got the axle out. Like I said, this is the one that was in there, and it's full of grease on this side. It's not that bad. This side is still, the outer portion is still like hard to move, sealed up and good, but this inner is pretty much getting dry. It seems like all of the CV axle grease pushed out of this side here, and it's like got a lot of play. So as far as getting it out, I gotta clean all of this up. This is all the old grease and stuff from when the first one exploded, but the inner portion there where the CV axle actually goes into, I'm not sure if that's like residual from the OEM one or if that's from this one, but I'm about to clean all of this junk out and go pick up the new axle. They said it'll be over there at 12 because they didn't have it actually at that store that's literally right around the corner from my house. So as far as the tools and stuff that you need, being that mine was already swapped out, the actual axle nut or bolt was a hex, and that size is a 14 mil hex. But if yours is OEM and you haven't changed it at all, I think the OEM one was like a 24 millimeter 12 point or something like that. I'll throw the spec on the screen once I know the actual one. And you had all of these. The OEM was is triple squared, I think 8 mils or 10 mils, and these are the little hex heads, 8 mils. You have to undo the lower control arm, which is held on by these three, I think it's yeah, those three 16 mils. Pop that out, pry that off, get you either a small pry bar or a flathead and stick in between the rotor and your caliper to keep the hub and axle from spinning while you undo the bolts to the inner CV. And it's 6 of them all together on my 2014 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. And then once you do that, you take your small pry bar, and there's like a little lip back here, and you'll just get it in between the CV axle and this joint here. You just pop it out. It's pretty simple. It literally take about 30-45 minutes. It just depends. But yeah, I'm getting ready to get all this junk cleaned up, and then later on, because right now it's just like 9:45 in the morning, and then the new axle won't be ready for pickup until 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna clean this up and chill for a little bit, and I'll get back to y'all when I have the new axle. Actually, you guys, let me correct that. The hex axle nut bolt size is actually a 17 mil, not the 14. The 14 was over there because I was trying to figure out the sizes of it, but the actual size is the 17. New Johnny acquired, so it comes with new hardware and everything. And this bad boy is stiff. Pause. Also an extra tank of grease in here. Make sure you guys reuse these. I think these are called like the anti-rattle clips or something like that. But make sure you hold on to these. Don't throw these away.
It's on my wheel like my name was Dwayne Cole. Fuck this bitch once, then she turned into a stalker. It's the dope dubs, I'm looking like a walker. Rolling with Mary Jane like my name was Peter Parker. Suicide for life, Audi on my right. Haters never on my left, cause they never in my sight. Tony with the time, sloth on the slick. I understand the hate, cause I probably fucked your bitch. One gold tooth, not $1 to my name. Killers for the pain and a gram of cocaine. I'm screaming fuck the world, screaming fuck my girl. Little white cracker smoking pills about to furl. Yeah, you know how it go. Suicide flow, always down the road, sipping balls real slow. Swerving down the road, no place to go. Got a lot of drugs, bring it back to old flow. Yeah, you know how it go. Suicide flow, always down the road, sipping balls real slow. Swerving down the road, no place to go. Got a lot of drugs, bring it back to old flow.
It's that suicide, the 7 award soldier. Bitch, I just sit back and watch, I'm that shoulder shrugging cold. Riding on spasm, my broken down Testarossa. Posted down in the dirty south, bitch, I'm barely bipolar. I'm a polar bear with the cherries and the solar flares. Nigga, these slogans over there by the fire pit, trying to get the fire lit. But me, I like it cold though. Fuck the blizzard, loving opposite of the desert lizard. Fuck the buzzing like a mobile phone, being the no. Leave me the fuck alone, fucking froze. I don't know who told you up this blunt ain't the sheriff, bitch. I'm smoking on my own. I'm done with the fucking clones.
Yeah, you know how it go. Suicide flow, always down the road, sipping balls real slow. Swerving down the road, no place to go. Got a lot of drugs, bring it back to old flow. Yeah, you know how it go. Suicide flow, always down the road, sipping balls real slow. Swerving down the road, no place to go. Got a lot of drugs, bring it back to old flow.
Y'all, so there you go, we good to go. Just took it on a test drive, everything checked out, so we back outside. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be easy.
You niggas still lost. Trying to detain the boss. Maybe it's cause these fits that I'm getting off. Outfits, murder one, I ain't killing them soft. Big crib, that's a mansion and not a loft. I ain't never falling off, won't take part in that. Some niggas get money, don't know how to react. Ain't $1 million, my name ain't on the contract. She ain't a boss, you can have her back. I'm where her loft at, smoking out, playing.